Unlocking productivity with IFTTT.
IFTTT, short for if this, then that, lets you automate tasks across your favorite apps and devices. By connecting different services with simple workflows, you can save time, reduce repetitive work, and stay more organized. Let's explore 5 ready-to-use IFTTT recipes that can help streamline your daily routine and boost your productivity, starting right now.
Recipe 1. Automatically save email attachments.
Tired of searching through emails for important files? Use IFTTT to automatically save new email attachments to your cloud storage, like Google Drive or Dropbox. This ensures all your files are in one organized place, making it easier to find, access, and share documents whenever you need them.
Recipe 2. Sync calendar events to a to-do list.
Eliminate double entry by syncing your Google Calendar events with a task manager, such as Todoist or Trello. With this automation, new events are instantly added as tasks, helping you stay on top of deadlines without having to copy and paste information manually.
Recipe 3. Get daily reminders for important tasks.
Keep key responsibilities front and center by setting IFTTT to send you a daily notification or email with your top priority tasks. Whether you use Google Tasks, Microsoft To Do, or another service, this recipe provides a gentle nudge so you never forget what's most important.
Recipe 4. Log work hours in a spreadsheet.
Easily track your productivity by having IFTTT log your arrival and departure times or work-related check-ins in a Google Sheet. With this setup, you create an automatic timesheet for better self-management or reporting, all without lifting a finger.
Recipe 5. Mute your phone during meetings.
Avoid interruptions by using IFTTT to automatically set your phone to silent or do not disturb mode during scheduled meetings. Simply connect your calendar app and mobile device to ensure you can focus during important calls or presentations without worrying about distractions.
Get started with automation today.
With these 5 simple IFT recipes, you're ready to take control of your workflow and accomplish more with less effort. Explore these and other automations to find what best suits your needs. A little time spent setting up IFT automations can lead to a lot more time saved every day.